Health and Human Services Secretary Tom Price joins us now from FEMA headquarters in Washington. Secretary Price, good morning. It's good to see you, sir.
Hey, Savannah, good to be with you. Thank you.
As I understand it, you just attended a briefing with all the federal officials involved here. What's your sense of what needs to be done? What's the urgency right now?
Well, I think the important message is that we are still in the rescue phase. We're not to the recovery phase yet. This rescue phase means that we're trying to make certain that individuals who need assistance are getting that assistance. Individuals who need water are getting that water, and the kind of assistance to the local and county and state officials. This is as has been described on your program and elsewhere, a disaster of catastrophic proportions. We're doing all that we can to assist those local, county, and state officials. And at this point, I think it's important for folks to listen to their local officials there in the Texas area.
Absolutely. And actually, that brings me to my question for you, because some are criticizing the decision of the local officials in Houston not to order an evacuation. Others say it would have just not been feasible. The mayor says, look, it would have been worse to try to evacuate in these conditions. Do you come down on one side or the other?
No, I think pointing fingers at this point is not helpful at all. I think it's important for people to appreciate the magnitude of this storm. Remarkable. We're talking about water, rainfall in terms of feet, not in inches. There are 12 million individuals who are in the area where the storm is currently and has gone through. So you can't evacuate 12 million people. So the kind of preparation, the president declaring the emergency early before landfall. We at HHS declared a public health emergency shortly thereafter. HHS deployed more individuals, pre-deployed more individuals to the area than ever before in any emergency. So we're doing all that we can. The federal government's doing all that we can to assist, again, the local, county, and state officials. But this is still in the rescue phase, and we continue to support those individuals on the ground.
And there's been a lot of concern about FEMA budget cuts that had been proposed. And now we're talking about a recovery that the FEMA director says could take years. Are you confident that the federal government has the resources to deal with this and will devote them to them accordingly?
Absolutely, and the declaration of a disaster by the president frees up some resources, and then obviously Congress will be looking at this as they come back to town next week. But the federal government is here to support individuals. We're here to make certain that folks have all the resources and all the support that they need.
Health and Human Services Secretary Tom Price on a busy morning for you. Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, Savannah.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.